Hi guys, Kyle Vino here with another helpful hint on how to change the languages on your car. Essentially, you hopped in a car, it's in a familiar language, and you want to get it back to the language that you're used to. Whether you're in the service department, the sales department, you're doing lease inspections, used car managers, general managers, anything like that, you need to know the mileage, the service, things that are going to help you adjust. So on Mercedes Benz, the easiest way to do it is there's some simple steps, simple procedures, and it's always in the same spot. What I'm going to do is walk through it, and we're always going to do the same process whether it's a new MBUX system, previous generation Mercedes Benz system, or even the classic 90s system. So walk through, same math every time. Alright guys, you turned on the car and you notice that it is not in the normal language that you're used to, not familiar, not sure what's going on. So easiest thing to do, bring up the screen. You're going to go all the way over to the picture of the car. This works on every vehicle, old or new generation vehicles. You just go to vehicle or vehicle settings. You'll see here, you're going to click on the vehicle. And then you're going to see. Now, again, we're not sure what's going on, but we do know in the far right-hand side, always on every Mercedes-Benz, that is your vehicle system. You're going to click down on that or touch the screen, whatever works best for you. You just give it a tap. Then you look over here. Now, again, we have no idea what this says, but if we slowly slide down, you will look for the globe, the world, the picture of something you're used to. Well, that means language. In any language, it literally means language. So if we click on this, then we slowly will see as we Dutch, English, Spanish, French. Anything you want, you click on it, but the math is always going to be the same. For me, I'm going to put it into English. I click on it and voila, that's how it is done. So guys, again, that will work on any car no matter what. So the first thing you do, you get in. You always go to vehicle. You always go to settings. So you're always essentially the math on every automobile that we have in our Mercedes-Benz lineup, no matter what generation. If it's previous generation, like the older C-classes, the 2015, 16s, 17, 18, 19, all you got to do, simple. You go up to the top right-hand corner. In the box over there, you click down on your direct select. Then in the lower corner in the next screen on the left-hand side, you're going to click on that. 3 turns down is English, click on it, boom, up you're going to have it. It's easy to do, easy because I do it every day, but if you just walk through these simple steps, it should work. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.